Good afternoon. My name is Ryan Peluso, and this is my Strategic Planning and Policies PowerPoint. Today I'll be covering business goals, IT-focused statement of strategy, division-specific tactical plan, and the division-specific operational plan, as this should help us secure the organization's assets over the next 5 years. Here at Umbrella Corporation, our mission is to provide protection and financial security to our valued clients. Our vision is to offer our consumers premium insurance products and outstanding services that ensure their financial security and longevity. Organizational goals should be strategic and obtainable while helping to guide employees. Our business goals are to remain compliant with current security standards, regulations, and policies, increase security measures by implementing two-factor authentication for customer access within the next year, and reduce the overall risk from cyber attacks over the next several years. We will also continue to maintain cybersecurity incident response time to not exceed 2 working days. An operational plan outlines key objectives and goals and provides insight on how the organization can reach said goals. For an effective operational plan, the information provided should be thorough and well detailed. This hierarchy shows the department structure and who oversees each office. As the Chief Information Security Officer, I ensure the vision is maintained and coordinate with the other officers to ensure our company has the assets and technologies that are properly protected. The team also develops and implements the Information Security Program. The Chief Information Officer will ensure the company is maintaining the company goals and be able to create strategic and technical initiatives. Overall, the entire team will continue to coordinate with each other to ensure we have the most up-to-date policies implemented and ensure employees and customers remain protected. Firewalls, intrusion detection, and prevention systems will be monitored daily and configured as needed to identify and respond to any given threat as soon as possible. There are compliance standards and governing rules and regulations that must be met at international, federal, state, and local levels. Federal laws such as HIPAA, also known as the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, protects health-related information. State laws such as the MS Code 83-5-801 provides provisions relative to insurance and insurance companies. The National Association of Insurance Commissioners provides expertise, data, and analysis for insurance commissioners to effectively regulate the industry and protect consumers. The international laws are the General Data Protection Regulation, also known as GDPR, regulates businesses that have any data from citizens within the European Union. In addition to these laws, the organization will need to ensure the strategy properly aligns with our goals and vision. To reach our desired outcome, we will need to ensure other standards and regulations like the ISO 27001, NIST, and PCI DSS are being incorporated as well. Our security tools and software to include encryption, access controls, firewalls, and IT infrastructure must be up to date to function properly. Routine audits will be conducted to ensure compliance and allow for issues to be corrected upon discovery. Employees will be notified of all training regulations and updates. Some operational policies that are in place relate to emails, passwords, and the computers within the office. Emails must be encrypted when transmitting personally identifiable information, also known as PII. Passwords must be changed every 90 days, consist of 8 characters to include 1 capital and lowercase letter, numbers, and symbols. Computers will need to be reset every 3 days to ensure applications are up to date, to include antivirus software. Computers should be locked when the workstation is unattended, and personnel will only have access to offices or rooms that are necessary, and personnel without the proper clearance must always have an escort. In the event security measures fail due to equipment or software damage, or their current security measures fail, could result in a loss of customers, employees, or profits. Failing to maintain trust between the organization and customers will make them switch to other competitors and lose overall business, which could be detrimental to our organization as a whole. To ensure we reach the high-level strategic plan, the following short-term goals will need to be implemented. Continually train staff on current policies and send out information when new laws are created or amended. Utilize the two-factor authentication when the company adopts a program in the upcoming months and offer training guides to customers. Ensure the incident response plan is reviewed biannually and updated as needed. Conduct penetration testing on a regular basis and correct any vulnerabilities when found. To reach the short-term goals, the following actions can be done. Ensure resources are available and allocated to incident response planning and testing. Provisioning the two-factor authentication and ensuring support is available to assist if needed. Set time aside and schedule regular penetration testing and conduct meetings to discuss results. And even though the CEO is the one who implemented this new plan, it will be up to the managers and the team leads to ensure the goals are being met and policies are being adhered to by the staff. Reaching our chosen goals will require other resources and will not be able to thrive off of implementing policies alone. A budget will need to be properly allocated to incident response planning, testing, and penetration testing. Technical support and the necessary hardware will need to be phased into the organization to prevent a work stoppage. The overall goal is to improve the organization's security posture while maintaining proper compliance and adhering to the necessary laws and standards. Continuous monitoring and reporting will need to be conducted on the following. The incident response plan, the two-factor authentication will still need to be assessed on the effectiveness and ease of use to determine if the system is working as intended. And the overall security posture to ensure it is meeting the required guidelines as defined by the organizational policies. Input and feedback will also be conducted from employees and stakeholders to see if the processes are working or if any adjustments are needed. Aside from the feedback, open communication is necessary to immediately identify and correct current issues and offer continuous improvements along the way. This operational plan will allow the IT division to support the business strategy and focus on the necessary security objectives. The plan provides information on the set goals and outlines the methods to use in order to reach them by adequately allocating the resources. Today I covered the Umbrella Corporation's mission and vision, business goals, IT-focused statement of strategy, division-specific tactical plan, and division-specific operational plan. Thank you for your time. If needed, here are a list of references that I used for this presentation.